Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The law of cosines, an introduction. Let's start with a standard triangle. We'll call our angles A, B, and C, and the sides opposite those angles, side A, side B, and side C. We want to look to use the law of cosines when we're given all three sides of a triangle, or if we know side equals side. The formula looks a lot like the Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where we're looking for side C. But because it's not a right triangle, we have to adjust by subtracting 2ab times the cosine of the angle C. You might see the formula written a few different ways in your book, just by rotating the sides around. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of angle A, or b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of b. Notice in the equations that the side we use on the left side of the equation always matches with the angle that we use on the right.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.